Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase marketing ROI with Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of marketing ROI and its importance. Identify the key metrics that reflect your current ROI. Gather data from your recent marketing campaigns. Analyze which channels are delivering the best results. Access Adobe Analytics to track the performance of your marketing initiatives. Utilize Adobe's reporting tools to gain insights into audience behavior. Segment your audience for more targeted marketing efforts. Leverage Adobe Campaign to create personalized marketing messages. Implement A/B testing to refine your strategies further. Use Adobe Experience Manager to optimize your content for various platforms. Integrate Adobe Creative Cloud for enhanced design in your marketing assets. Monitor social media engagement using Adobe social tools. Evaluate the conversion paths of customers using Adobe Experience Cloud. Adjust your marketing strategies based on real-time analytics. Focus on improving underperforming channels identified in your analysis. Consider leveraging Adobe's machine learning capabilities to predict future trends. Continuously iterate on your campaigns for ongoing improvement. Document your findings and adjust your marketing plan accordingly. Review your overall marketing ROI regularly to ensure ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.